Alright, today we're doing a fitment on a 2024 Mustang. This is a GT, but these are models, whether you have the EcoBoost or the GT. If you do not have the performance pack, this will have the base spoiler on. This is what this one has. So this is without the performance pack. These just hit the dealership. So you see some of the wrapping. Okay, and that one, they all have that center block there, but they don't all have the active 360 assist.
Okay, so we're going to be removing the two center screws. There's one here and one here. We're using a 7mm socket. These are 4.2, I think, by 25. We're going to be taking these out and putting them right back in. Alright, then we're going to grab our base plate and we're going to take the factory screws we just removed, put it through the base plate, back into the hole, start it, do the same thing with the other side, start it, and then we're going to tighten them down using the same 7mm socket. This is a no drill. It uses the two factory screws that we removed and just put them right back in. These are going into a metal J-clip, so you don't be afraid to tighten them up. There you go, and as you can see, that's solid. Then you're just going to take your front, grab your pull pin, pull it back, and push it till it locks into place.
Should sit about 1/4 of an inch off the bumper there, and then there's the straight on view center there, and your license plate will go right on the front of that, and that's it.
Okay, so now we're going to show you how to put the license plate to the STO N SHO front bracket. You're going to take the screw, put it through the license plate, stick it through the bracket. Now on the nylocks, you'll notice that there's a nylon insert that goes to the outside, and that'll keep it from coming loose. Just start it, so you're going to start all four. And again, through the plate with the nut on the back side. Alright, so these are a Phillips head with a 10mm socket or a wrench. And just tighten them up. And you don't have to over tighten these because the nylon lock ring or insert will keep it from working loose. And the last one. I don't like that. No. Okay, so there you go. You got it with the screws going through the front of the plate onto the back, and then the nuts here tightened up using a 10mm socket and a Phillips head screwdriver.